are here today to explore and learn about the future of smart manufacturing with an emphasis on the human element that will drive Industry 5.0 forward. As we begin this intellectual journey, let us prepare to engage with new ideas, discuss meaningful insights, and contribute to the evolution of this emerging field. This FDP is a step towards equipping ourselves with the strength of technology, wisdom, and human-centered innovation. May I now request respected Pro-Chancellor Sir to kindly come forward and offer a token of welcome, a bouquet to our Chief Guest, Professor Ravi Kumar Dwivedi Sir. Please, sir.
Please, sir. Please.
Now I feel honored to invite the coordinator of this faculty development program, our respected Professor Dr. P.S. Chauhan, to deliver the welcome address. Dr. Chauhan is a mechanical graduate in 1994, completed PhD from MENIT Bhopal. He organized approx 30 plus government funded FDP and conferences. Sir, please.
Honorable Chief Guest of today's program, Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Dwivedi ji, respected Pro-Chancellor Sri Vikrant Singh Rathod ji, Managing Director Sri Avinash Mishra ji, Registrar of the University Mrs. Richa Verma Madam, Dean School of Technology Mr. Anand Sen, co-founder of the program, Deans of various schools, faculty members, and dear participants. Very good morning to you all. On behalf of entire Vikrant University, it is both my pleasure and privilege to extend my warm welcome to Chief Guest of today's program, Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Dwivedi ji. Dr. Dwivedi has been serving MNIT Bhopal for last 25 years. He worked with the Indian Air Force for the 15 years. Out of 15 years, 4 years he was in Gwalior, and he was in the Air Force station and dedicated his life for the social activities. As far as Dr. Dwivedi other activities are concerned, he served MNIT Bhopal at various capacity as a head smart manufacturing lab on which this entire FDP is concentrated. At the same time, he was a registrar also, he was chief proctor also. He is working as an advisory member of the UPSC also, at the same time with the Nagar Nigam Bhopal, Nagar Nigam Indore also. His area of research are mainly focused on the additive manufacturing, smart manufacturing, bioadditive manufacturing, maintenance, and many more. He published more than 200 research papers and various top-notch journals with more than 1600 citations. Sir, we extend our gratitude to you in this campus as Vikrant University. I also welcome our beloved Sri Vikrant Singh Rathod ji, young and dynamic leader, and definitely the future of this Vikrant University is on the shoulder of Sri Vikrant Singh Rathod ji. Vikrant Singh Rathod ji completed his graduation from the Somai University, Bangalore. He is IT graduate. As far as his personal characters is concerned, I can say that very humble, grounded, and taking each and everything carefully, sincerity, and implementation part is too strong. So we are grateful to you to be with us in this inaugural ceremony. I also welcome Sri Avinash Mishra ji, Managing Director of this university, He was the former Vice President, Human Resource of the entire Cottage Unit in India. His expertise is in the field of the human resource, man management, and definitely under his able guidance, this Vikrant University will achieve a new milestone when we talk about the gap between the industry and academia. With this hope that his able guidance will reach a new milestone for this Vikrant University. I also welcome Vice Star Mrs. Richa Verma. At the same time, she is the controller of examination also. Definitely, he is looking after the entire segment very carefully and meticulously. She is doing work to maintain the ethical values of the examination. At the same time, university, all the segments, whether it is in definitely liaising with the government bodies as well as the affiliations are concerned. She is really very sincere and hard work. Madam, we also welcome you in this campus in the Vikrant University, especially the inaugural ceremony. I also welcome Dean School of Engineering and Technology, at the same time co-coordinator of the program, for definitely taking each and every activities of the program very carefully. We are grateful to both of you, sir. I also welcome all the deans, all the associate deans, faculty members, and my beloved participant. As far as this FDP is concerned, it is really joyous, at the same time proud moment for the Vikrant University that AICT and ATAL Academy has shown faith on us to give us this FDP to us. This FDP is spread into 6 days. It is 6 days activity and 41 hours FDP. We have total 4 sessions in this FDPs. 4 session means this entire 41 hours divided into 4 parts. First, the live session. Second is the hands-on experience. Then article review, and then industrial visit. What are the main objectives of this FDP? I am interested to let all of you know why this FDP has been planned, why the government is taking that much pain to organize such type of activities at each and every zone, where academia, where industry person, at the same time PG and PhD scholar should come together. If we talk about the early stage, there was rote learning. Teacher was teaching the students and the students was learning. If students learned or not, we don't know. Nowadays we are talking about outcome-based learning. At the same time, we are trying to manage and we are trying to understand the team learning also, collaborative learning also. At the same time, we are talking about the experimental learning. This entire FDP is focused on this all 3 same parts. That means we have focused on the live session. That means we are talking about the outcome-based learning with the case studies. At the same time, we are talking about the experimental learning where the hands-on trainings will be given to you all. At the same time, we are talking about the team or collaborative learning where you will study an article in a team, means entire participants have been divided in a team of 5 members. And each 5 members have to study the latest article and take the key takeaways, some key takeaways. At the same time, mark the lesson also, and whatever you can implement in your industry, in your organization, that you have to mark in the reflective journal. If we talk about who will take the sessions, who are they? They all are the prominent academicians. At the same time, the industry persons also. If we learn only the topmost person, definitely we can't understand the problem at the ground level. If we have to understand the problem at the ground level, then definitely there must be a club between that is an initial level persons, mid-level and the top level persons. This coordination make the organization successful. If we talk about these 3 persons, that's why we have selected the topmost academician, industry persons also, at the same time mid-level also, at the same time that's the initial level also. On very first day, that means today, Professor Ravi Kumar Dwivedi, he will deliver a talk on Industry 5.0 introductory part. That means Industry 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0 and 5.0. 5.0 is mainly focused on the human-centric approach. At the same time, we are talking about the environment also. At the same time, we are talking about the child labor also. At the same time, we are talking about we are really focusing on the entire world community or not. These all focus are being given on the Industry 5.0. Second lecture will be taken by, again, one of the world's topmost personality, this is Mr. Sachin Agarwal. He is the head of research and development of the Volvo Eicher as well as executive vice president. He completed MTech from IIT Bombay, and he is serving he's with the iShare group for last I think 30 years, and presently he is in Malaysia, and he will join us sharp at 2 p.m. today itself. On second day, the owner of the Robotronics from the Indore, he is coming at our campus, and he will deliver a talk on the IoT, at the same time machine learning, deep learning. Because if you talk about the smart manufacturing, it is not core mechanical engineering. It is the integrated of electronics, mechanical, as well as the computer science. Practical experience today will be given by the ordnance personality, that is he is coming from the ordnance factory, Jabalpur, and he will deliver a talk on the practices as well as the practical experience of the ordnance factory, Jabalpur. How the defense uses or manufacture the products with the help of the smart systems. These are brief about the FDP, that is the faculty development program. We are really grateful to all the college administration, university administration, at the same time industry management, who has make you free to attend this program. Otherwise, if the participants are not in the event, not in the FDP, the program is not that much successful. We are grateful to the AICT and as well as the ATAL Academy for giving us the opportunity. Once again, we are grateful to all the dignitaries, they are present here, and hope this FDP will fulfill the expectation of the participants, at the same time will fulfill the objectives for which it is designed. Once again, thank you to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I humbly request respected Managing Director Shri Avinash sir, former Vice President HR at Godrej Consumer Private Limited, share his thoughts and welcome the delegates. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure and honor to be here in this very emerging FDP in the presence of very learned Professor Dwivedi. I have been hearing about Professor Dwivedi long time from Dr. Premananji. He is the wizard in this field and he is coming. I was very much excited to meet him. And I had a brief meeting with him, and I find he is really a wizard, and he is going to be retired next year, but he is ready to serve to the society in a big way, particularly in medical science. So thank you very much for being with us, Professor Dwivedi. I am very happy to see our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Mr. Vikrant Singh Rathore, Vice Chancellor Dr. P.S. Chauhan, Director of Engineering Professor Anand Singh Bisenji, and Nishanji, and dear all, Madam Risha Verma, she is registrar here, and all the members present over here. I am very much impressed the title was given because I am from the human resource background, and this industry 5.0 is focusing on human-centric smart manufacturing. And I also worked more than 35 years in manufacturing. So I can easily relate with this topic because the next evolution is Industry 5.0, and where human is being given a lot of focus with the technology. So I believe human or people is and should be the center of any business in any organization, because it is the only sustainable advantage. Others can be replicated by your competitors. So this is the power of human in any organization. We are all working here for contributing to the organization, contributing to the society, and contributing to the future generation. So just I was going through one article, what is Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 emphasizes automation, connectivity and data-driven decision making. It is happening nowadays in many of the good organizations. Because whatever decision is being taken, it is being taken based on the data only. Now, coming to the industries 5.0, this is emphasizes and shifting the focus back to the people. When I say back to the combining human creativity and expertise with the latest technology, that is AI, IoT and robotics. But why it is emphasizing, why it is focus is shifting? Because they want resilient, they want sustainable organization and personalized manufacturing system. That is why the focus shifting towards Industry 5.0. So, what are the key deliverables from Industry 5.0? I think expert will be talking about on this 5.0 in detail. But for my knowledge and for my experience, this is Industry 5.0. Basically, is artificial intelligence and machine learning, cobots, the collaborative robots, and digital twins. We are talking about digital twins and IoT and IIoT. That is also very important aspect of Industry 5.0. AR and VR. I don't know whether how many of you know AR, VR, but it is also a part of Industry 5.0. 3D printing and blockchain. These are all areas many organizations are getting focused with this kind of technology intervention. My first question comes, why human-centric? Why human-centric manufacturing is required? Because machines cannot replicate to the human being. Why? Because machine cannot replicate human part in terms of creativity, in terms of empathy, in terms of intuition, and in terms of ethics. That machine cannot replicate. That is why this human-centric smart manufacturing is very, very important to take care of human development. So what focus should be there from employee well-being, job satisfaction, and meaningful work? That is also very important when we adopt Industry 5.0 system in our organization. The question next comes is how we are going to prepare for Industries 5.0, because many organizations are not able to implement because of their cost pressure, because of other certain reasons. But those who are looking forward 10 years ahead, so they are thinking on how they are going to prepare themselves to take care of Industry 5.0, particularly in a stiff competition. So what they are doing, they are investing on workforce development, that is particularly on digital and soft skills, because that is very important to develop people in line with the future requirement. Then redesign the process with sustainability. That is also very important, because the current process what is happening in any organization, that has to be redesigned with sustainable models. That is also very, very important. Then integrate ethical AI practices to ensure fairness and safety. We were talking about ethical AI. It is going to be come under Industry 6.0, ethical AI. That is very, very important to ensure the flexibility, to ensure the safety of human being. So, and one more important aspect I find in my organization, earlier organization, this Industry 5.0 or any technology cannot be executed unless we have a collaborative effort to implement all this technology. And when I say collaborative efforts, mean engineers, designers, and operators. It goes up to the operator. Unless your operator is not trained, this is all will not work. So that is very important to train the grassroots people with this technology. I am sharing just my experience with my previous organization. We bought a world-class robotic machines from Italy. So management had decided to bring a best technology in our system. So we got AI-driven machines, robotic from Italy, and the moment this technology landed in our organization, everybody was because when we bought any technology, we get people from the original, those who are originating this technology. They come here, they set all the machine, and they show the capability of the machine. They came here, they stay here for 6 months, and they trained our people. But and they showed the efficiency of that machine which we brought in. But after 6 months, the moment they went from here, India, to Italy, immediately problems started coming. And you won't believe, we have started engaging more people because the speed was so much high about the speed. They are not able to handle this speed. So immediately we come back to the original one. This technology, so then I realized it is very, before implementing or before bringing any new technology, you need to train your people from day one. Otherwise, it will not work, and this is a waste of money in any organization. So this is what my experience, and I wish all the very best for, and particularly many professors are here, and my industry colleagues are also here. I am thankful to their management because to live for 6 days in industry is very difficult because they are very key people, very few people are there. But I can understand is 6 days, if they are here, so they must be taking care of some, by other people, they must be taking care of their work. And I hope this program, this FDP will give a lot of insight to all the people, those who are attending here. And my humble request to all the participants, particularly professor, if you learn from here, as Professor Premananji told, this experience learning is also there, practical learning is also there. So you should assimilate your learning with the student, because that is this is a huge gap when we taught the student about this whole technology. So my humble request to all the professors, to whatever you are learning here, you assimilate your learning with your student, then only the objective of this FDP will be achieved. And same like my industry professionals also, they should go with lot of insight and lot of takeaway from this 6 days FDP, and they should discuss with your management. This is how we can implement. If you want any help from Professor Dwivedi or Professor Premanand and other expert, you can tell us. We will provide hand-on experience with them also. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. It's my honor to introduce a distinguished member of our institution leadership, our respected Pro-Chancellor, sir. We kindly invite sir to come forward and share his invaluable insights with us.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Firstly, I would like to welcome Professor Dwivedi in Vikrant University. Sir, it is a pleasure to have met you. You are really a very humble and modest man. Even after having years and years of experience, it seems like you're very down to earth. I would like to welcome all the teachers, all the educators, all the learners in Vikrant University on this first day of the FDP, which is on human-centric smart manufacturing. Well, I truly believe that faculties are the backbone of any educational institution, and with a rapidly evolving world, with the new emerging technologies coming, we all should evolve as well. And this is a reflection of our commitment from Vikrant University towards making sure that our faculty is up to date and They're growing with the times. And for the same reason, I want to really appreciate and congratulate the efforts and the initiative taken by our respected Vice Chancellor, Dr. B.S. Chauhan sir, and his whole team, who has worked relentlessly, very hard to plan this event. And I hope the desired teaching and learning outcomes which you have targeted are achieved. And everyone who has come to be a part of this FDP has a great experience at Vikrant University. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, to inspire us. It is my privilege to introduce our chief guest, Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar Dwivedi, sir. Dr. Dwivedi is a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at MENET Bhopal with over 45 years of experience with the dynamic professionals, including 15 years of distinguished service in the Indian Air Force. He is a highly acclaimed academician, technologist, and a leading figure in the field of smart manufacturing and Industry 5.0 transformation. Sir, we are deeply honored to have you us with today. May I now request you to kindly share your valuable words with us. Sir, please.
Good morning, everybody. It's really indeed a proud privilege for me to stand here on such a platform where people are going to talk regarding the Industry 5.0. So, respected Pro-Chancellor sir, respected Managing Director sir, respected Vice Chancellor sir, respected Registrar ma'am, respected Dean, Coordinator, and respected faculty members present here, respected all participants, because without you it was not going to be successful. So before I start, I would like to congratulate to the organizing team to select such a great topic of relevance, because this is the need of the industry now. As we know that a lot has been talked about the Managing Director, Mr. Avinash ji, about the Industry 5.0. But if we start and we look back towards the journey from 18th century, we have come far away. And believe me, from the homemade things we have started, and we have gone to the Revolution 1. The first wave came, Revolution 1, where we have started with the steam engines. Then came to the second one, where we have implemented the electrical, natural gases, natural fuel, all those things started. Again, we found that still we are lagging behind somewhere, the industry is lagging behind. Then we have gone, we wanted more efficient production. We wanted to cut short the production time. So in order to have that, we have implemented the computers. Then after implementing the computers, we were not still satisfied. We wanted that there must be semiconductors, there must be AI, there must be something, some more things are there, the cloud computing. So we have reached up to the Industry 4. So this was, in a short, this was a journey. Now in the present industrial scenario, almost we are in the phase of the transition form. We can say, rather it is precise to say that we are in the transition phase. Few things have already been implemented and few things are remaining which has to be implemented, which we will be discussing at the time of my talk, when I will be giving my talk. But certainly if I request you to imagine that what machine can do, the machine can do the repetitive things. And till now we were only concentrating to make the machine intelligent. we were emphasizing that how our machine can be intelligent, more intelligent, intelligent by fixing the semiconductor. Sometimes we are implementing the AI, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and somehow we were able to improve the efficiency of the machine. And of course the cost, the earning also, because economic feasibility has to be there. That is a key factor of the industry. So we could success up to there. But in this present industrial scenario, that we think that machine, although it can be intelligent. See, I was talking about the machine and man. So machine can do the repetitive things. Intelligently it is doing. But what about the human being? Machine can't have the emotional intelligence. Machine can't think critically. Machine can't have the strategic decisions. The decision making can't be done, and lot of things are there. Regarding the moral, regarding the society development, regarding the environmental sustainability, so many things are there. This machine can't do it. And that is why there is a pressing need of the human-centric. The human has to interact again. Because, see, we have got the Sophia. You must have heard, a lot of people must have heard about the Sophia. She is quite intelligent enough, but does not have the emotional intelligence. You must be having your new generation cars. Like my car is having era. If I ask her to switch on the AC, she will switch on. If I ask to, physical and virtual things are connected already. But how about the emotional intelligence? How about the critical thinking? How about the decision making according to the requirement of the society, according to the requirement of the nature, according to the requirement of our environment? All those things are still lagging behind, and that's why we are stepping into the Industry 4. So a lot has been told about it already, and we will be discussing a little more regarding this. But if I talk about in context of the country, our country, so this is the thing which has to be taken over seriously. And believe me, imagine an MSME is working with an intelligent machine, and one artisan is giving his feedback to the machine, and machine is interacting with the artisan, and globally we are sending it. Imagine we have got quite a good craftsmen in our country. So the craftsmen, they are connected with the AI. Or rather, I would say, it is precise to say that I would say the ethical AI. So our craftsmen are connected to the ethical AI, the rural, and they are connected to the entire globe through the supply chain, proper supply chain. Imagine the scenario. But what we need? What are the challenges? The challenges are only one, that we need skilled people. And in the pool of huge youth here in our country, not only we can participate, but we can lead also. We can lead the world. So that is what I just wanted to say. And hopefully you are a wonderful audience. I don't know, I don't remember, I have not seen anybody earlier, so it's my rather fortunate. I'm fortunate enough to have the quite fresh audience whom I don't know, so we will be knowing each other also. And in the last, you are a very good audience and good organizers here. So I would request off the beat, although it is not a formal, but I would request all the participants and organizers also to clap for each other. Organizers for the participants and participants for the, and I will clap for everybody. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us, and we are excited to hear you again. Now I request Professor Nishan Singh Kushwaha, co-coordinator of this faculty development program and head Department of Mechanical Engineering, to propose the vote of thanks, express our gratitude to everyone who made this inauguration possible.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our esteemed chief guest, Professor R.K. Dwivedi sir, for sparing his valuable time from his busy schedule to give us to share his experience and valuable knowledge. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to Honorable Pro Chancellor sir, respected MD sir, respected Registrar ma'am, Dean sir, all the dignitaries to spare their valuable times and to grace this event. A big thanks to all the participants from different organizations. Your active engagement will definitely enhance the value of this faculty development program. I would like to thank AICTE, ATAL Academy to give us this opportunity to organize faculty development program on the topic of Industry 5.0, Human-Centric Smart Manufacturing. I would like to thank each and everyone, IT team, admin staff, all the volunteers, faculty members, staff members who directly or indirectly involved in this event. On a special note, I would like to thank respected VC sir to choose me be the co-coordinator of this event. Thank you, everyone.
As we drew together in this distinguished auditorium, we gathered not merely to listen but to learn, to absorb valuable insights from our esteemed speakers and engage deeply with the theme of Industry 5.0. Today's session have equipped us with fresh perspectives and practical wisdom that will shape our teaching and research going forward. So, we will now take a 5-minute break for high tea, after which the technical session will commence. Now I request all the participants to be seated here, and left of you can leave the auditorium.